Hey, hello and welcome. It's Peg with the Sticks of Fate for June. We do this each month. It's Pick Stick Challenge, which is a Facebook group. If you don't know about us, check the links below. I have all of my links in the description box. And join us because this is a fun challenge. If you like doing art journaling, if you like doing tags, if you like doing artist trading cards, this is a fun thing for you to do. So, we have a challenge. There are 6 steps, 2 wild cards, and 2 colors each month. And you may have seen some of my videos, some of Shell's videos, because we do this each month. But what we do is we select alternately each month the Sticks of Fate. So I need, to get me started, I need 2 purple sticks. This is my basket of sticks. I need 2 purple sticks because yeah, the colors are on the purple stick. So there's one, and there's, grab another one. There's 2 purple. I need 2 green. Let me get one over here. There's a green and a green. These are just at random sticks. I need 2 of the oranges. There's 1, 2 oranges. I need 2 red. There's 1, 2 red. I need 1 yellow and 1 blue. Okay, so we have all of our sticks now. I can put the big basket away. Now, we randomly start pulling for the challenge. Now, the first thing we need to know is the colors. So I've got my 2 purple sticks, and okay, I'm going to change this because I think we've already had this year. Let me grab one other stick. And I think we've had that one too. All right. got to find something we haven't used. You know, we're getting in the middle of the year now, and that one doesn't have anything on it. So that's not going to do me any good. So let's see what color this is. Oh, this is black. Okay. So I've got black and violet. Wow. Wow. Black and violet. Interesting combo, right? Okay. So those are our colors, and then I'm just going to start pulling out. The colors on the sticks mean something. The purple means the color. The next thing is a technique that I want to do. So techniques are orange. I'm going to grab a technique, which is peel. That's an interesting one. I'm going to grab a product, which is a green. That's nature. And let's see, I want a different color now. So let me grab the yellow, which is eclipse. No, ellipse, not eclipse. Ellipse, which is a shape. Let me show you. So ellipse is a curve or plane. Trying to... There's different shapes for ellipses. There's a... Yeah, okay. So you may have to go to Wikipedia for this one. Sorry. It's a math thing, okay? Ellipse is a math thing. And I think what they're mostly looking at is this curvature, okay? So there's also the equation for ellipse, so you could use that in your art also. But yeah, ellipse, who knew? All right, so that's, let's see, we've got 3 different colors. I need a red, so the next one is attach. And then I don't have a blue out here yet, so that's mellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more. Product. Text. Okay, and then our wild cards are pool and mask. And we had this one just recently too. I'm throwing that out. I'm grabbing another one, which is buff. Okay. So there we go. Those are our challenge words. So let me just write those down quickly, and then I'll come back and select for the next thing. All right then. I wrote it down, and then I realized, yeah, violet, we just had that in the month of May, so we're not going to use violet again this month. I pulled another stick. It ended up being rose gold, so we'll have black and rose gold. Now, I need to pick for the tag, which has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see. Let me just double check that. Go into my slides here. May tag. Okay, there's 4 things, 1 wild card and 1 color. So 1 wild and a color for the tag. And then we have the ATC. So for the ATC, it's 3. Let me see. Trading card is 3 steps, 1 wild card, and 1 color. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3 steps, wild, and color. Okay, so let's just start drawing for that. So for the tag, the color for the tag is going to be black. And put it back in the jar and pull out again the color for the, can't get a hold of it. The color for the ATC is rose gold. Okay, so we're done with our colors. I can set those aside. Next we have the tag. So I think I'm going to start with a product, which would be a green on the tag, which is text. I'm going to grab another thing here, which is buff. One more, which is mellow. And one more, which is ellipse. And the wild card is going to be nature. Okay, back into the pool they all go. And we're going to draw for the ATC. So this time, let's see, this time I think I'm going to start with, what do I want to start with? I want to start with an action, which is red. Let's do attach. Okay, and then we need something else, which is text. And the third thing for the wild card is going to be pool. And the wild, don't ask me what that is. The wild card for the ATC is going to be, whatever this is, peel. Okay, so now we've got our challenge ready to roll for the month. Come and join us in June. Remember, it's the Pick a Stick Challenge. Use the hashtag for June, which is hashtag PASC, Pick a Stick Challenge 0619 for the journal page. Hashtag PASC tag 0619 for the tag, and hashtag PASC ATC is 0619. And remember that during the month of June, we also have an additional challenge. The additional challenge is doing an artist trading card a day. So this artist trading card can be one of your daily artist trading cards. So that gets you on the road to getting started on that challenge. And I hope you come and join us. Remember that if you like this video, if you like my channel, be sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share it on social media with your friends so that they can join in the fun. And I'll see ya later. Bye for now.